Okay, this is Aaron. I'm unboxing my Starcraft 2 Collector's Edition box. As you can see here, I cut the wrap already. It's my third attempt at making this video. Show you my Alienware computer that I've had for about 7 months now. My big ass monitor. My second monitor with my old computer, which I don't have hooked up right now, and my Pandaren and my Paladin. But on to the unboxing, which I guess I should have taken off the plastic wrap first. Let's flip it around. Let me put this over here so you can get a better look at it. Exclusive in-game pet, .NET downloadable content, the game, the dog tag with both of the old games, or the expansion of the old game, comic issue 0, the art, soundtrack. Let's open up this bad boy. It's pretty cool how it opens, because my brothers got one on the first day, but check that out. Big old teeth on it. They package this very nicely. Let's see. You've got your dog tag, your behind the scenes DVD, you've got the game DVD, then you have guest passes for World of Warcraft, and two guest passes for Starcraft. I'm not going to show you your codes since I don't need anyone trying to get them. You only get 10-day game pass for the World of Warcraft, but the Starcraft one is 14 days, but you only get 7 hours, which kind of sucks, but that's what you get. You get the comic book, nothing on the back, and then you get the art book, which I heard there's some spoilers in, so I'm not going to open that yet until I finished it. I'm on a 7-hour pass right now, but I am going to put in mine so I can get my World of Warcraft on. It's a pretty good sized book. It's the same as about the same size as the World of Warcraft ones. As you can see, I've got all the World of Warcraft collector's editions over there, and Warhammer, which I never touch. And you've got the soundtrack for Wings of Liberty. And let's see, I think that's it. That's everything in the box. There's my iPhone 4 box, my iPad. I just got an iPad. Hopefully I'll do some videos on that. But for now, let's open up the dog tag. There it is. It's a USB drive. It's pretty nice. It's really hard plastic, and then it comes out there for the USB thing. James E. Rayner, but it's pretty cool looking. I don't think I'd ever wear it around my neck, but that is it. And that concludes my video. Please like or subscribe. I'm going to start doing more videos. I really need to get on that more. But thank you for watching and have a great day.